Hello, my friends. In this section, we are going to discuss three things which we normally use in programming or our programs. So, the first one is the variable. The second one is the constant or constants. Sometimes we call it literals. And the third one is the expression. We use these three things quite often in the code, in the program. So let's discuss that what is a variable. We have already discussed that what variable is. So variable is a memory location where the computer stores the data. So for example, a is equal to 20. We need to understand one thing, that my friends, whenever in a program we ask computer to use the variable, it will always use its value. So this instruction, it will create a variable a, will store 20 into that variable. So now when I ask him to print a, what it will print? It will never print a. It will print the value of a, which is 20. So here it will print 20. For example, if I'm asking him b is equal to a plus 15. So what it will do here? It will add 15 with the value of a. Because a is a variable, so what it will do? It will pick up the value of a, which is 20, and 20 plus 15, the result will become 35, and inside b it will store 35. So a is a container, a is a variable. Whenever we ask him to use a variable, and it is not just the print, if we are using that variable, so for example, if here we are using the variable in the print instruction, but here we are using a variable in the formula. So whenever we use a variable, it will use its value. So variable is just like a container, like a cup. So whenever we ask anyone to use the cup, they will never use the cup, they will use whatever is inside the cup. So for example, if I'm asking you to drink the cup, you cannot drink the cup, you will always drink whatever is inside the cup. Okay, so whenever we use a variable, it will always use its value. The second thing is the constant. So what is constant? Constant basically means the data. Remember that whenever we are asking him to use the data, it will always use the data. So for example, a is equal to 30. So inside a, what it will store? It will store 30. 30 is the data. I'm asking him print a. So what it will print? Because a is a container, a is a variable, so it will print the value of a. But if I ask him to print 40, so 40 is the data, it will print 40. So whenever we use the data, it will use the data. Look at this expression here. I told him that a plus 15. Because a is a variable, so it picked up the value of a, and 15 is the data, so it added 15. It used the 15 there, but here it used the value of that variable. Okay, so here if I write b is equal to a, what does that mean? This is the assignment operator. So here I'm asking him store a in b. We can't store a. Why? Because a is a variable, so it will pick up the value of a and it will store that thing in b. Okay, so now the third thing is the expression. My friends, expression is just like a formula, mathematical formula. So for example, if I ask him a is equal to 2 plus 5. So this 2 plus 5 is the expression, is the formula. It will create a variable a, but in a, it will never store 2 plus 5. What it will do? It will solve the expression first. Whatever the result is, it will store that result in a. So this is wrong. It will create a variable a, and inside that a, it will store 7. So whenever a computer is using the expression or the formula, it will solve it first and it will use its result. For example, here I'm asking him print 5 plus 10. It will never print 5 plus 10. It will print 15. It will solve that thing first and then it will print 15 on the screen. Let's see that thing practically. So here, let me ask him to print 2. So what it will do, it will print 2 on the screen. If I'm asking him 2 plus 20, what it will do, it will solve the expression first. See, the expression is solved. It added 2 with 20. The result is 22, and it used the result of that expression. Okay, so here, if I ask him to print London on the screen, so what it will print? It will give us an error. Why? Because what is London? Is it the data? No. Is it the integer data? No. Is it the float data? No. Is it the string data? No, because it is not in speech marks. Okay, so that is why it is giving you an error that I do not know what London is. So what we need to do, we need to make it the data, the constant, and when we execute this program, so it will print London on the screen. So my friend, very important thing here to understand that whenever in the program we are using the variable, it will always use its value. Whenever we are using the data in the code, it will always use the data. I'm asking him to use 40, it is using 40. I'm asking him to add 2 with 5, so 2 is the data, 5 is the data. Here, I'm asking him add a plus 15, so it will add 15, but what the value of a is, because a is a variable, so it will pick up the value of a and it will add it. Whenever we are using the expression, it will solve the expression and it will always use its result. These are the 3 very important things which we need to understand.